Yes, I just heard this. I keep hearing this noise. I don't know if something went down in there or what, but if you can hear it, if you listen real closely. Coming from that building. From that little speaker up there. Fluffy. Oh. Yeah, so. Oh, what's going on over there? Hi, Fluffy puppy. I don't know what's going on over there. What's happening on this side? I don't know what it is.